What is umbrella insurance and why do you need it? That's the question for today. Hey, my name is Ryan Smith. I'm with Smith & Sons Insurance Agency, where we are transforming the way individuals, families, and businesses secure financial stability. Umbrella insurance is really just an extra layer of insurance. Umbrella means that there will be underlying policies. There's policies that you have that are primary, and then you have an excess layer of liability insurance, which is the umbrella. Now, there is a difference between excess and umbrella, which I will get to in a minute, but it is coverage above and beyond what is on that underlying policy. So in most cases, a personal insurance case or the average homeowner might have a homeowner's insurance policy, which has the personal liability coverage included. They've also got a personal auto policy, which has the auto liability limits included. And there are some other coverages on both of those that could transfer to the umbrella. However, the umbrella covers both homeowners and the auto, the excess liability coverage above those, only if those policies are named in that umbrella policy. So let's say you've got a homeowners and an auto and you've had them for a while and your agent tells you maybe you should consider getting an umbrella policy this year just for some added coverage. Well, it doesn't have to be the same insurance company that either writes your homeowners or your auto. There's usually a benefit to bundling together, having the same insurance company write multiple lines of coverage for you. But it doesn't have to be. There are some companies that will write a standalone umbrella policy. Now, the difference between excess and umbrella typically is that excess is only an excess limit for one line of coverage, whereas an umbrella is an excess limit for multiple lines of coverage, the home and the auto liability coverages that are within those. The umbrella adds extra liability coverage to that. Now, I mentioned that there might be some other coverages within one of those policies. For example, uninsured motorist on a personal auto policy. There are umbrella policies that will offer higher limits, excess limits, if you will, for uninsured or underinsured motorists. And those are very important coverages, which may be available to you. So if you're looking for options for your umbrella insurance, just know that the homeowners and the auto are likely going to have to meet a minimum liability limit in order to qualify for that umbrella. So if you're driving around with state minimum auto liability limits, you're going to need to raise your limits on that policy before you get an umbrella policy in place. So that could be the first step in the conversation with your agent, is increasing the limits on the auto or the homeowners, those liability limits, bringing those up to the max maybe, or whatever is necessary for an umbrella policy to be available, I should say. So if you have questions about your policies, your auto liability limits, your homeowners' personal liability limits, or what options you might have for umbrella, give us a call, Smith & Sons Insurance Agency. Our number is going to be here on the screen and down in the comments. And of course, you can text us, email us, visit our website or Facebook. You know the drill. Once again, I'm Ryan from Smith & Sons Insurance.